What's up, traders? Today, want to take a look at a stock that took off yesterday that we looked at 2 days ago. It's SOS. If we look at the daily chart here, we can see 2 days ago. Actually, that's the options chart. If we look at the daily chart, you see it was around $4. Yesterday, went up as high as about $13.50. So let's look at the 5-day chart, the 30-minute interval. So we see it started taking off February 11th, kept going February 12th, and yesterday gapped up to almost $14, then flattened out. So, of course, the stock, let's see, went from about 7 the day before to almost 14, 400% gain. If we look at the, let's say, the 750 call that we might have bought here, February 12th, held it to you yesterday. That expires, should be this Friday. Yep, February 19th. So this is a daily chart of the 750 call. So if we see, we could have got yesterday about 250 to 6 for like 100 and what is that? It's like 140% gain. And taking it day before, could have got about, let's say, 120 to 650, assuming, well, we'll see. 650 or 120. So that's minus 1, that's 5,300% gain if we would have taken it the day before. And if we would have taken it 2 days ago when we first looked at it, this option was trading from like $25 to $150. We probably could have got in the middle for about $50. And then yesterday went up to about $600. So that's about a 1,200% gain. Getting half of that would be great. 600% in 3 days would be awesome. So good luck, traders. Hope you find something like this today. Keep your eye on the volume of stocks that go up, especially solid stocks, not penny stocks.